We're at Pratt Real Estate, Pratt, Kansas. We are getting ready to do some repairs. Wanted to walk through and show what we'd be doing. We marked leaks and X's. We got a leak here, and I didn't quite exit over there, but a leak where those guys are standing. We're going to work on fixing those. What we're doing is just some general maintenance today. Pretty low cost way of extending the life cycle on a roof, stopping existing leaks. We're going to be treating around all these pipes, everything you see a circle around. We're going to be tearing out a little bit of piece of wall where they've had some leak issues. In these corners, doing a little bit of detail work. You can actually see a nice little touch on this roof. This is an acrylic-based roof right here, put on about 6-7 years ago, wearing really well. But here in the corner where they had some additional water issues, we went in and we put a silicone base. That way the acrylic wouldn't deteriorate away. And you can see right through there, it's a little bit, it looks dirtier. But if you look at the base here, the silicone provides a solid layer all the way through, so water can't permeate through there. So where this has been sitting with dirt and debris and water, snow and ice, it doesn't allow those areas to deteriorate that acrylic. Acrylic works really great for certain areas, especially this main field. Some of those tougher areas, that silicone works in there really nice. We're going to come in, and you can see in here, actually where this is starting to pull away on the roof, we're going to loosen this flashing up. We're actually going to put a little slip sheet of TPO up in there. We're going to do that in several spots throughout. Just trying to get this roof back into shape. You can see just standard maintenance. We're going to clean up in here. Maybe foam in a little section right up here. We'll just have to see. Come back and put some acrylic along the way. And then down here, same deal. We can actually see where this was repaired right through here. Still wearing pretty well, but seeing how now we have a foam machine up here, and it's just such a simple task. We're going to actually foam this in a little bit, add a little more strength to it, a little more longevity. Again, here you can see that wall starting to deteriorate away. We're going to put some TPO flashing in there, I think, as well. So, last thing here. This has been the most difficult leak to find on the building. We think it's coming around the siding. Customer didn't want to work too much on this all the way through, but now we're just going to go ahead and tear this wall off. I think we're going to foam the whole thing in, see if we can find the leak first of all, once we get it off, and we'll see if we can't get it fixed as well. So this is Pratt Real Estate. I'll come back and do an after video when we're all said and done and show you what we've done.